Assalamu alaikum guys, this is my Forever Living Start Your Journey combo pack, and I purchased it yesterday, but I was very busy and didn't have time to unbox it. But I had decided that I'll make an unboxing video for it because there are so many people who are looking forward for Forever Living business and they are eager to do it, but they don't know what they're actually getting when they start up this work. So this is my 1.5cc business, which means that I have become assistant supervisor after purchasing this. I enrolled myself earlier on, and then I bought these products because I really wanted to buy things which were really meant for my health, which were good for my health, which were good for my day-to-day living. Anyway, let's cut it short and do the unboxing thing. So first of all, okay, wait. This is a very nicely done big box. It's very heavy. Oops, yes, it's at least 5-6 kgs. I open it like this, and okay, what it says is enjoy our products, enjoy our people, love your business. So it's their products, their people, but this is our business. I'm happy with it, honestly. Yes, correct. And here it comes. Okay, this is there are 13 items. Few of them are two quantities and one. So aloe vera gel, aloe lips, aloe bright tooth gel, aloe berry nectar, absorbency, all these things. Okay, so this is in Arabic. I don't need it because I do not read Arabic. And this is English brochure, Forever Living. And this is, oh, nicely done. It's beautiful. Aloe gel, propolis, nectar, and this is aloe propolis cream, honey. Wow, I really wanted honey. Actually, I heard about this honey a lot. And super greens, RG, absorbent C, and these are good products. Gel cleanser. Anyway, we'll see this later on. So let's start this. Okay, I'll start with the tubes first. So this is aloe vera jelly, okay, and soothing clear gel. So we can use it where? We can use it everywhere, I think. Yeah, because it's aloe vera jelly. This is another aloe vera jelly. This is moisturizing lotion with collagen and elastin. Wow. So it means I can use it everywhere, on my skin, on my face, on my tummy. This is Forever Aloe Scrub with microspheres of jojoba. Okay, that's nice. Jojoba is very soft and smooth. I've heard a lot about the toothpaste, by the way. Yeah, this is toothpaste, and I've heard a lot about it. Somebody told me because this is no fluoride. When there is no fluoride, it is not your endocrine disruptor. It will help your thyroid to function properly because of extra fluoride that we are intaking every day in our toothpastes is actually disrupting our thyroid hormone. And once we because I'm always against using regular toothpaste because they contain lots of fluoride, and fluoride is not good for our thyroid. So no fluoride is my go-to toothpaste. So I'm going to buy it always again and again with aloe and bee propolis. Very nice. I'm happy. Natural mint flavor. Okay, so I'm a big proponent of this one. And this is another one, good for me. This is aloe propolis cream. This is deeply moisturizes and nourishes skin. So this is another moisturizing lotion type thing. What is this? See, it's a Forever Arctic Sea super omega 3s, natural fish oil and calamari oils with olive oil. Okay, not bad. So there are how many? 120 soft gels and 60, so 2 soft gels daily. What is this? Another one. Absorbent C, vitamin C in bonded matrix base. Okay. This is another same. This one, omega 3s. Oops! Wow, I'm so pleased with this. I wanted honey. I'll keep it in my kitchen. This is very nice, 100% natural honey. We are sure that this is not with sugar because most of the honeys sold in the supermarkets are actually loaded with sugar syrup. Oh yes, aloe blossom herbal tea, 25 tea bags, Okay, what does it do actually, this can? Okay, I'll read about it, but it's this looks nice. So 25 tea bags. This is the famous aloe vera forever aloe berry nectar, cranberry, apple flavored aloe vera gel. Okay, how do we use it? I'll check about it, but this is just an unboxing video, so I'm making it like that. There are 2 of them, so let me put it back because it's pretty heavy. And then this is regular aloe vera gel, stabilized aloe vera gel. This is unflavored, I think. Yeah, regular one. This is another one. What is this? Aloe jojoba conditioning, lightweight formula, pH balanced. Okay, this is good. I needed a conditioner. And this is another one. And this is my lip. Thinking there's another one in the box. So aloe lips forever with jojoba. I'll give it to my daughter because she always is complaining of dry lips. So definitely it's going to go to her. And there is one more in this, and that's it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 products. It was mentioned 13 items. I think then, yeah, obviously there were two in the box as well. So this was my unboxing, my favorite Forever Living products combo pack. It's a starter pack, or you call it a journey pack, because we're starting a journey here as a business person, as an entrepreneur, and as somebody who actually cares about the health of yourself, like our own health and the health of other people. And I'm really looking forward to become part of this business team. And wish me luck, guys. Thank you very much for watching the video. And my prince and my cat is actually loving it. Okay, you want to take it? Okay guys, take care. Bye bye.